Hello all, good evening and welcome to our breaking news coverage. We have just received reports of a major train accident near Chennai. The Mysore-Darbhanga express train has collided with a stationary goods train at Kavarpette railway station in Tamil Nadu. According to initial reports, the collision occurred around 8:27 pm local time, shortly after the express train passed Ponneri station. The impact caused 6 coaches of the express train to derail, and fire erupted in 2 of the coaches. Rescue operations are currently underway, with local authorities and emergency services rushing to the scenes. Tamil Nadu police and fire services are working together to control the blaze and assist passengers. Railway officials have confirmed that several passengers are feared injured, but fortunately there have been no reported fatalities so far. The cause of the accident is believed to be a glitch on the track, which led the express train to the entire loop line and collide with the stationary goods train. The Tiruvallur District Collector T. Prabhashankar has assured the public that all necessary measures are being taken to ensure the safety of the passengers and to restore normality at the site. We will continue to provide updates as more information becomes available. For now, our thoughts are with the passengers and their families. Stay tuned to this channel for further developments. Thank you.